Welcome back to Appgeeker channel. Apple iOS 15.5 is coming, and iPhone 6s and newer can install the update to keep the device up to date. But the nightmare is that, you're unable to install iOS 15.5. An alert says, unable to install update. An error occurred installing iOS 15.5, with the options of retry and remind me later. So this video will show you how to fix when you're having issue installing update on the iPhone in a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is free up storage space on your device. When you own a stuffed iPhone lacking room, you cannot install an iOS update though it's been downloaded successfully. So make sure that you have enough gigs to install the new update from Apple server. Before you delete any apps or any content to make more room, check the iOS 15.5 software update file size. If you're moving your iPhone from iOS 15.4 to iOS 15.5, the update is around 640 megabytes. If you're moving from an earlier version, the iOS update is between 1.5 gigabytes to 2 gigabytes. A wise option is leaving twice the space to download and install the update effortlessly. Now check your free device memory space. Open Settings app, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and you'll see the amount of used and available storage space. Evaluate whether your device could install iOS 15.5. If not, erase any unnecessary apps, videos, photos that are eating up your storage space, and then install again wirelessly. If not enough available storage space is not your issue for an installation, then come to the second method, that is to plug your iPhone into power and let it charge at least up to 50% while updating. The device in low battery status might not last longer for installing a big gigs of iOS, as the installation is a battery killer and takes some time to finish. Network issues are probably the causes of iOS 15.5 being not downloaded and installed. When the issue happens involving your network connection, then you might see, unable to install update. Software update requires a network connection, or, unable to check for update. An error occurred while checking for a software update. All you need to do is turn on airplane mode and turn it off, which will refresh all connections and fix not being able to connect to the internet issue. Then, connect the device to a faster Wi-Fi network. If your connection is slower, the installation process could be stuck for hours or more. By far, hope you're able to install update iOS 15.5 for your device. In case the issue persists even if you have enough storage and power juice, as well as a reliable Wi-Fi, try iOS system recovery software from Appgeeker. It can help download and install the new iOS once the phone is connected to the computer and get rid of any potential glitches. Let's see how it works. Open iOS System Recovery Tool, and connect your phone to the computer via a USB cable. Click More Tools at the bottom left corner. On the next window, choose iOS System Recovery tab, and then click Start button to move on. Now, you should see the information of your device on the screen when it's detected. Check the details and click Fix button. The next step is to select Standard Mode, which does a good job at fix the installation issue without deleting any data. Hit the Confirm button. Now the software displays a list of firmware packages that match your device. The last thing is to choose iOS 15.5 and click Download button. That's it. The software will re-download iOS 15.5 and install it on the phone smoothly. Wait patiently until the process finishes, as the tool will take a few minutes to resolve barriers that stop iPhone from installing update iOS. Alright, another route is doing a force restart. This is an effective troubleshooting option whenever you encounter bugs and issues with iOS device, and it won't erase phone data. Well, if you have iPhone 8 or newer model with Face ID, press and quickly volume up button, press and quickly volume down button, then press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone reboots, go to check if you can install the software update now. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, simply press and hold both volume down button and the power button until you see the Apple logo showing on the screen. Likewise, to force restart iPhone 6s and iPhone SE, first generation, press and keep holding on home button and power button at the same time. When Apple logo appears, let go of both buttons. Remember that, iOS 15 has not been available in iPhone 6 and earlier. Beside updating iOS and settings over the air, you can also install the update using iTunes or Finder by connecting the device to your computer. In iTunes Windows, click Summary tab from the sidebar on the left, and then click Update to get the new iOS. So, guys, these are workarounds for an iPhone unable to install update. An error occurred installing iOS 15.5. Hope any of trick is helpful for you, and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Appgeeker channel, and hit the bell if you don't want to miss out our upcoming videos. Have a good time. Bye.